In the heart of the great marshlands, where time seemed to stand still, lived a peculiar bird, the shoebill. This unique creature, with its enormous beak and striking plumage, was a marvel to behold. One day, the shoebill discovered a curious artifact, a mirror that reflected not just its physical image, but also its actions, and the consequences that followed. Intrigued, the shoebill began to observe its actions, watching as the mirror showed the ripples of its decisions. One day, the shoebill saw itself hunting carelessly, disregarding the balance of the marshlands. The mirror showed a once vibrant marshland becoming barren, the fish population dwindling, and other creatures struggling. Feeling a pang of guilt, the shoebill decided to change its ways. It began to hunt only what it needed, allowing the marshland to slowly recover. The mirror showed a renewed marshland, with fish swimming abundantly and other creatures thriving. One day, a fellow creature approached the shoebill. It was a wise old egret, who had watched the shoebill's transformation. The egret praised the shoebill for its wisdom, reminding it that every action, no matter how small, has a ripple effect. The shoebill, now a beacon of change, understood the power it held. It realized that every creature, like the shoebill, has a mirror of time, a reflection of its actions and their consequences. The shoebill, through its actions, had not only saved the marshlands but also set an example for other creatures. The story of the shoebill and the mirror of time serves as a reminder that our actions, no matter how small, have a profound impact on the world around us. It teaches us to be mindful, to act with wisdom, and to remember that we are all part of a larger interconnected web of life.